The electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge minus 0.8 microcoulomb in air is 0.2 Newton. Question A. What is the distance between the two spheres? Question B. What is the force on the second sphere due to the first sphere?
There are two spheres, one sphere, another sphere, name it A and B. The charge on A is given Q1 equals 0.4 microcoulomb and the charge on B Q2 equals how much? It is minus 0.8 microcoulomb. The distance between the charges is to be calculated and the force between the two charges is given how much? It is given 0.2 Newton. So what is the distance between the charges? हम मैग्नीट्यूड ले रहे हैं ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स कितना 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट Q1 Q2 by R square. This is 0.2 Newton. 9 into 10 to the power 9. What is Q1? 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 6. What is Q2? 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 कूलम. ओनली क्वांटिटेटिव, नेगेटिव साइन हम नहीं ले रहे क्योंकि हमने डायरेक्शन कंसिडर ही नहीं की, डिस्टेंस बीच का आपको फाइंड करना है. देन आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 into 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 into 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 whole divided by 0.2. Then 9 into 10 to the power into 10 to the power 14 और 9 गए तो 10 raised to the power minus 6 में ऐसा कर लेता हूँ क्योंकि नीचे से भी जाएगा ऊपर, into 4 into 8 divided by 2. यहाँ 10 raised to the power minus 1 आई थी, माइनस 1 जाकर ऊपर प्लस हो जाएगी तो 10 17 माइनस 4 बचेगा, ये प्लस 10 यहाँ से जाकर और माइनस 14 है तो माइनस 4 बचा. अब ये देखिए कैंसिल आउट कर लेते हैं इसको सिंपली. क्या बनता है 9 into 4 into 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. This is R square. So what is R? 3 into 2 into 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. R equals 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 मीटर, और सिंपली हम कह सकते हैं 12 सेंटीमीटर. Now what is the another question? What is the force on second due to first? Electrostatic force is always in a pair of action and reaction. This is the force on A due to B. Then similarly this one is the force on B due to A. Both the forces are same but they are opposite in nature. So force on A due to B is negative of force on B due to A. So the force on second sphere due to first sphere, the force on second sphere due to first sphere is same, opposite in direction.